In the past, I will never forget about this because I started my career in the quality management field. So I was all about ISO 9001. That was about process and procedures, documentations, registers everywhere, audits, and everything that you can dream about. And then doing audits, internal audits, external, and many procedures. So after this, then we had the boom of the IT service management that was about ISO 20K, ITIL, and SIAM, and then many organizations implementing tools, processes, aligning processes to each other to deliver the best service to the customer. And then it was when we started to think about, okay, what it is a change management, what it is SLA, why I should care about SLA, why I should care about how good I am delivering the services. But, well, sorry for this, but then that time, well, is kind of gone because I would not say gone for good, but we know already how to deliver a service. We are really well matured when it comes down to deliver a service. So then the developers, on the other hand, they were working towards Agile, Scrum, and other methodologies that to them would make more sense. But then Agile started to become more not only software development anymore, like finance, marketing, and other areas of an organization, they were starting to adopt Agile and Scrum and then making it more universal. And then suddenly the whole corporations are embracing Agile and Scrum in a way that it's like it's really nice to see how adaptive and agile we are being when it comes down to deliver a service or even to create a service or a product, or better saying, a digital product to our customers. So then, for many years, we were struggling about how can we combine the previous service management or IT service management with the agility that is being required. Because if I say to my customer, well, you need to wait for a week for a change to be approved during a change advisory board, and then we can implement and then do some tasks, and then you can see how things are going to look like. I think they're going to look at my face and say, are you insane? Yeah, the time changed, and then we are needing to be more agile and more adaptable, let's say, and we need to be fast. And so this means like to deliver a service that is not even fully ready, but at least the few of the features are being used already, and then already recovering a bit of the investment by having a good ROI in between. So when it comes down to the Agile Service Manager, when we were creating this career path certification, we thought about many of the aspects, which kind of competences and skills it's going to be like a really required for someone to say, I know how to deal with service management or IT service management, and then I can really combine this with the agility that is being required and bring the best from both worlds for the business and create like a new processes and make the organization to go above and beyond. So when we were defining this, so then we said, okay, so you need to understand at least the basics of what it is Agile and Scrum. You need to know how to behave, like and work with smaller teams, and how to deal with the sprints, and how to adapt the change management processes, for example, to the Agile world, and then how to adapt the change management process over there with like a SIAM by combining with multiple service providers, or even with the requirements from the ISO standard. But then again, we need to bring not only processes, we need to bring culture, we need to bring behavior, we need to reduce waste, we need to use technology, we need to become more lean. And then this is when the Version professional popped up. That because Version is the approach for the digital age that provides like a really good structure for governance at this time that we are living in. and then providing practices and techniques that can be used widely in the organization. So with this on the top, then we could embrace all the competencies and skills that we judge, and by analyzing the reports from many of the players of the market, we could offer something that was really good and makes sense, that we can say to the market, the candidates that are certified as EXIN Agile Service Manager, they can make it. They will make the difference at your organization. So then if I cross-check this certification with the skills that companies are in need most in this year, for soft skills, again, we have 4 out of 5. We have creativity, persuasion, collaboration, and adaptability. Regarding to hard skills, then we have analytical reasoning and UX design. So if you are willing to become, for example, a service delivery manager, or a line manager, or process analyst, or IT service management professional, but incorporating the agile aspects and how to create like a better structure for the governance and for the management of the IT services or digital products from your organization. So this is the certification that is designed for you.